Hello, I'm April DeFalco and I'm a Gateway student. I wanted you all to know that April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. Too many people are experiencing sexual violence. Every 107 seconds, someone is experiencing sexual violence. Attend the No More event April the 14th from 12 to 2 in the Thai Gallery. Learn more about domestic violence, sexual assault, and hear survivor stories. Have an opportunity to share your own experience and learn the steps that Gateway is taking to keep everyone safe here.
In the 2 studies done on spousal rape, 8 to 10% of women have reported being a victim of sexual assault. Learn more about sexual assault and domestic violence at our No More event on April 14th from 12 to 2 in the Thai Gallery. See you there.